This video is for Amazon sellers who have followed our advice, who have created their own private label brand with a trademark, with IP accelerator, who have brand registry. And I want to discuss with you one of the easiest ways to protect your sales, to stop other people from stealing your sales, is to make sure you have a really great warranty in place. You want to have a warranty that takes the sale of your products outside of the first sale doctrine. And if you're not sure what the first sale doctrine is, please make sure you go to our website, go to our blog, and run a search, First Sale Doctrine. But what you want to make sure is that the warranty you have across all of your products provides something to the consumer that other sellers can't deliver. That will take the sale of your products outside the first sale doctrine and give you great tools to stop hijackers from stealing your sales. You want to learn more about how we help you develop your brands, develop private label into brand, help you develop killer warranties that will protect your sales? Contact me for a consultation. Do not be shy. We are here for sellers literally 7 days a week. And to be honest with you, I love helping you grow and develop your own brands.